In a courtroom, the silence can be deafening, but in the case of former President Donald Trump, the hush is making all the noise. Today, we delve into the intricacies of the 11th day of Trump's hush money trial, a case that has become a focal point of political and legal discussions worldwide. In the heart of New York, the once bustling Trump Tower now stands as the backdrop to a legal drama of monumental proportions. The former president is embroiled in an unprecedented case, accused of falsifying business records to conceal hush money payments. The payments in question are those reportedly made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels in the run-up to the 2016 election. The case draws parallels to that of former Democratic presidential candidate John Edwards, and Trump's defense strategy may take a similar path. The defense argues that the payments were made to protect personal matters rather than to influence the election. This argument, if accepted, could potentially disentangle the issue from the web of federal election law violations. However, the prosecution faces its own hurdles. Convicting Trump requires proving intent to conceal or further another crime. With 34 counts of falsification of business records, each charged as felonies, the prosecution must establish an underlying crime. This could tie the case to federal campaign finance violations, state election law, or New York tax law. The trial is also marked by the involvement of key witnesses like Michael Cohen, who arranged the payments. Their testimonies could tilt the scales of justice. But it's not just the courtroom drama that's grabbing headlines. Outside the court, Trump's legal team sought a delay in a separate sexual assault and defamation trial, citing the need for a cooling-off period following the indictment. The complexities of the case and the unprecedented nature of the charges against a former president have led legal experts to label this trial as risky. The path to conviction, while plausible, is fraught with novel legal questions. This case could potentially lead to years of litigation and may even reach the steps of the Supreme Court. To summarize, the hush money trial of former President Donald Trump is a legal labyrinth where every turn unveils a new challenge. The defense argues the payments were personal, not political. The prosecution, however, must prove intent to convict on the charges of falsifying business records. With key witnesses, potential links to various laws, and the looming possibility of a Supreme Court review, this trial is set to keep the world on the edge of its seat. As we continue to follow this unfolding story, one thing is certain. In this courtroom, no secret can be kept quiet for long.